from all care, till her father's own ploughboy her heart did ensnare. One day as she walked on her father's demesne, where Willie the ploughboy was ploughing up the plain, he whistled so sweetly that the woods did resound, and the birds on the bushes stood silent around. She called on her ploughboy to stop for a while, and he turned around with a nod and a smile. Her cheeks blushed like roses, and this she did say, "You've been deep in my mind, love, this many long day. Give over your ploughing, and that very soon. Give over your ploughing, and we'll cross the deep foam. We'll go to America, where thousands do go. I'd be pleased with my ploughboy, wherever